I have my cork there, corky. Get in. On my way. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, you're watching the right channel. You are on my main channel today. We are doing a main channel vlog because I wanted to do one. I'm currently in Los Angeles and I'm gonna do a slime shopping supplies vlog because I'm gonna be filming some slime collab videos in LA. So I wanted to get a bunch of slime supplies and I was like, dude, let's do a freaking vlog on my main channel because why not? My shirt says, hey babe, so hey babe. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. Give this video to 10,000 thumbs up for more slime shopping supplies videos of some sort because they're so much fun to do. I love them so much. I'm so excited for you guys to watch this vlog. I'm currently in LA, I already said that, but if you want to watch my vlog channel where I do actual vlogs every day on my vlog channel is Nicole Jacklyn Vlogs. It's linked down below for you guys. Go check it out, go subscribe. I'm currently having a giveaway, giving away a Macbook Pro. Now it's kind of crazy. If you want to win that giveaway, subscribe it down below to this current channel, Nicole Jacklyn, and my vlog channel, Nicole Jacklyn Vlogs. And go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both are at Nicole Jacklyn. They're both linked down below. If you want to go follow them all and subscribe, do all the things. I love slime shopping supplies vlogs so much. They are so much fun. Yeah guys, by the way, I don't live in LA yet, but if you want to find out more about that and my current Michigan life and everything, I will have the vlog channel down below. Once again, the vlog channel is always down below. It's so much fun. I love vlogging. It's so much fun. Ever. I love it so much. Okay, let's go to Target. This is real excitement, okay? By the way, I have a slime Instagram. It's Slime by Jacklyne. You wanna go follow it? It's down below also, okay? Bye. Or not bye, but I'll see you in a minute. So a huge difference when you're shopping for slime supplies and you are in LA is you have to like use parking garages, and it's not like the Midwest where it's like this, you just have a giant, you know, thing where it's just you park a parking lot. So now we're going in to Target to get some slime supplies. Oh yes, we need rosé. We need rosé. I'm being serious. First thing. Oh, Target is just so weird when you're not in Michigan, like, or it's just so, it's so different. Target literally looks so weird. It's like, it's like kind of weird. It doesn't feel homey. It's so different. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Y'all already know I'm so excited right now. This is like genuinely, I love slime. So thank you. I'll have the whole a good thumbnail. I know, right? So we could do white glue. Well, they have gallons also. Yeah. They also have a ton of like, I've never seen these. I've only ever seen them love when it focuses. Okay, there we go. I've only ever seen it purple, red, and blue glue, and never seen like silver and green. Oh, it's new. Like, oh, because it's new. Oh, there's the flashy label on the top. Maybe we should just get. These ones before? I haven't actually. I'm gonna do a video on my main channel. Hee hee, surprise. Stay tuned. Where I test out literally like all of these glues. I also have them in like translucent. They have them. Oh yeah. Like these translucent colors. Ooh! They're so much fun. Just geeking out in the slime section. It's fine. Bunch. Yeah. Do you want to get a gallon or just like do these little like? Because this might be more easier to like, honestly, just like hold in general. Because we're gonna be doing like a making slime backwards collab, I think, like part 1 and 2, and maybe we'll do one like blindfolded or something. I don't know. We'll make it fun. Let's just grab like one of these. Oh, let's get like a full one. Yeah. We need all equal, all the glue. This looks so strong. Ooh, it looks just. Put her in the cart. Spirit, you're gonna stay there. Ooh, I'm gonna do some clear. Whenever I make, fun fact, whenever I make clear slime, I mess it up every time. I mess it up. I mean, if I do it in like a mixer, I can do it better, but like I always overactivate it. Like people that are like in the passing aisles, what they're thinking, what we're saying, like white and clear, like could be equal. Like we're these psycho girls like in the glue aisle, like freaking out over like literal. Are they children? Like I'm confused. I'm confused.
And then like the color is like wait.
Yeah.
Oh, we get.
As Savannah just pointed out, the blue one is, why is it like ribbed and like has like curves? And then why is the white one like tall and like voluptuous? And then the clear one's just small and short and like, who decided these things?
They're all different, you know?
I just don't understand. I just don't understand. Okay, so the glue all. So let's get a little on camera. Get your glue education. So apparently if you use glue all, it's like makes the slime thicker and like more clickier.
Really?
Apparently. And whenever I ask my friends who I like review their slime, I'm like, why is your slime like, how is it so thick? What do you do? They're like, oh, it's just the glue all. And I'm like, it's just glue all? So apparently we should test that theory out in our collab video somehow.
We should.
See if it actually works. Like you make glue all and I will do like the normal Elmer's glue.
Like,
do you want to just do like a few? Cause like how many ounces? I cannot convert.
So,
what am I trying to do?
Why are they?
I cannot convert in my head. How many ounces are in front?
I mean, I don't even know how many like gallons we're in now. Like, I don't know.
I could never do that in high school, so I can't do it now. So like, I'm so get my cart. Can't see it like that. Hello. No, the first shot of the video. Hello. I have my cart there, Torby. Hello, girls, get in. You know that meme going around with like Gruel, the like from like the Minion movie, and he's like, "Come on, girls, get in." Like,
we can make a new meme.
Me and my glue, girls. Me and my glue, girls. God, I'm so weird. Why are you still watching this vlog? Are you still watching this video? I don't know. Let me know.
They better be. You better.
Are you? Who did we actually buy?
I didn't want to do the whole thing.
Grace. I think your middle name is Graceful. I think you're.
Try again.
Oh, that's okay. I mean, if you wanna, I mean, we got like 4 in the cart. You missed 2, so it's okay.
So good.
At Elmer's slime kit idea, you should do like a Shrek, like a movie themed slime kit. Yeah, do you want to just like these ones in the middle?
Are we going to do like 2 of each or everything? Or, because we're not doing, what are we doing again?
Yeah, we're gonna like make slime backwards. So
okay. I was thinking the challenge thing again, so I was like, we should need it. But
we can do like make slime backwards and like we can do like some kind of like slime video. Like we can do like making slime blindfolded or just like making slime backwards or I love these like new colors.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do the
Sorry, I didn't
just
pick that one.
We are like graceful queens, honestly. Just Grace is our middle name.
Okay, so 2, 2.
And the silver looks so pretty.
Yeah, I'm excited for that.
I love glitter. This is just like a little, yes.
Slime with blue sticks, see if that works. Has that been done? Actually?
And we also have, we have a microwave, so we could belt it.
Has that been done?
Yes, it has.
Okay, can we pretend it hasn't? And like,
we can just.
Could be like, first ever.
We could like be like funny about it.
Yeah.
Because she had no idea it actually hasn't been done. So like in her head, which is like, YouTubers all think alike. Everyone thinks alike. They're always like, oh, I didn't even know, because everyone thinks like they look outside the box all the time for new ideas.
Well, yeah, because I think of it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And then you have to search it and you're like,
like, dang it. But like we thought of it first. So we're gonna test it. We'll test it out anyways. You heard it here first on camera. Live footage. Okay, so we have our glue. We have types of glue. We have glue wall, glitter glue, silver and green, and glue sticks, and we also have normal glue, whatever the heck that means, honestly, because it's all weird and it's all glue. So because to me that means normal glue, but like everyone else it's like that's just glue in general, right? Okay, what else do we need? Oh, Boris, do they have any like model magic clay we could like grab to like do butter slime?
That's my favorite type of slime.
This making slime. I'm like, wait, I forgot my card. Coming.
I was like, are we?
On my way.
No, they must be just been around the corner.
Me. Thanks, guys. Going to work. We're gonna do like 2 colors. We're gonna do like whatever colors you want. You can do like
a mermaid one. What would that be? Blue, like a light blue.
Let's do like a light blue color. That's pretty. Light. Ooh, yes. Oh, get that product shot. Oh yes, spin that. Oh yes, beautiful, iconic. Yes, girl. Work that lighting. Work that wrist, girl. Okay, so would you like a light or dark pink? Take a light pink.
I like it.
And like you can like see the sprinkles. Oh my gosh, the glitter, the sprinkles.
I always say that. Honestly,
people get so mad at me my slime videos. Like, it's still sprinkles.
I literally say that.
I'll always be like sequins, glitter, sprinkles, and I'm like, oh wait, it's not the same thing at all. At all.
Waste the day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. This is what we love, like, yeah. I just have no, but there's like literally no music.
Nothing. It's all in my head, so.
You'll put a little music in there, right?
Little montage, oh, if you will. Washi tape. So cute. Yes, I think I do need that. Fun. We should do that. We should do it.
Oh, I was
baller. I'm the on Fleck Napquan. I'm so weird. Me.
No, literally. In your slime.
Stop. Are you?
Please get a good shot of that.
Are you kidding me? Do you see? Drinking buddies. Like apple juice.
What do you do with these things? Do they just hold on to your?
I don't want to know. They're like straw holders.
It's for wine to like distinguish which one is yours by the different butts. Yeah, by Josh's butt or Brad's butt.
Okay, whatever.
Do you want to go to Paris?
We are just trying to find some borax. We don't even know where it is. I always try to find it, and I don't even know where it is. Oh, I hear somebody. It's embarrassing myself in Target. Like, what's new? Hello? Hello, where did my friends go? Oh, I saw her pants. No. No. No borax, just you. Just you. I found you. Even better. God, I'm just... so like, where's the borax at though? Where's the borax?
This is the game.
This is literally dishwashing detergent. Nope, probably doesn't work that way. Hand soap, okay. Nobody has borax. We're so sad. I'm so sad. This is my sad walk. This is my sad walk. My pants are like just, you know, hanging on. Honestly, I was a little bit concerned we didn't find it because, thank God.
Our baby's home.
Our baby's home. Thank God. We're so weird, but it's okay. So we got all of our supplies. We got some rosé even for tonight, a little celebratory. I'm gonna, okay, yep, I just did that. And fine, everything's fine. Me too. We're gonna open up a memory foam pillow, or one of those like foam bead pillows to get foam balls because we wanted to have foam for slime. So we're gonna go check out. All for my, I'm holding my gum right now, that's all for my shopping with me at Target for my slime supplies video. If I should do more shopping with me videos on my main channel, comment down below what I should do, what kind of slime I should do. If I should do a series where I shop for supplies in certain cities, comment down below what I should do because I would love that video idea. It'd be really fun. I'm also having a Macbook Pro giveaway. I'll have all the rules down below. Subscribe both my main channel and my vlog channel, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, both at nicholejacklyneyt. I'm pointing with my gum like this right now. It's so great. It's so freaking hot outside in LA. What is this? I love getting cat calls. Gross. That's a big mood, honestly. All right, guys. I'll see you very soon.